Good day guys, in this video review we can see the BlockSafe project, Notice, Purpose and Dignity. This video will be in English format, so guys, especially for you, we'll add Russian subtitles for convenience, please don't even. I think everyone who at least once fell into hands of fraudster as a result began to actively change his worldview in order to exclude this situation in future. And in trust we see many examples of how companies, exchanges, investors lost their funds due to lack of tools that would grant preservation of all their funds in case of bad news. Naturally, you might think that this kind of problem is most cases is associated with some centralized services where all data is stored in one place. But sadly, hackers and other similar hacker attacks are also replacing a decentralized society, what in principle is evidenced by numerous statements in which only now and then there is news about multi-million dollars theft or a large amount of funds from exchanges and other blockchain platforms. More than $1 billion were stolen in the last year of 2018 alone. But in order to somehow reduce growing dynamics of hacking and other hacker influence, a team of BlockSafe specialists has made quite a few efforts to develop new ways to solve about problems and also to create reliable and high quality products that help effectively prevent all sorts of hacker attacks and other fraudulent activities. BlockSafe technology creates a system to protect blockchain platforms, cryptocurrency wallets and exchangers. To do this, founding team has developed and patented its first two products, sales of which will start in near future. They are called in a following way: Crypto Defender and Exchange Defender. Together this project has about 2 patents, 6 of which have already been submitted and 4 are still pending. Nevertheless, their work is a unique and inimitable at moment of time all over world. This means that it has clear advantages our existing security system in this segment. Moreover, project itself was developed by a team of experienced professionals who already have significant experience in high-tech industry. It has about 17 years of experience in computer security industry and related innovations. As you have already understood, in order to carry out high quality and reliable protection of various networks, functions and principles, it was necessary to create several products that will be able to fully implement a comprehensive solution to all current problems. To do this, developers BlockSafe formed a kind of circulation of actions where each individual step will be able to pass his test of authentication and also checks for malicious penetration of cheater or hacker. To eliminate all disadvantages of existing systems, are planned to develop following products such as Crypto Defender to prevent tracking tapping from hacker programs. Next target is Exchange Defender, which includes 2 products, Protect ID and Crypto Defender. They protect users when making purchases and sales of cryptocurrency with help of clickjack functions and using various scientific methods. And third important product in this ecosystem is Blockchain Defender, which can prevent penetration of malware between application and system combinations. All these 3 tools together create one of the most powerful and secure platform for digital currencies and reduce risk of lost funds several times. In conclusion, I will say that implementation of such a secure system for cryptocurrency is handled by an experienced team of specialists and takes into account many shortcomings of existing blockchain platforms, exchanges and wallets. Therefore, you will find this technology very useful for entire market. So if you have any question about the project, ask them in the comments under the video, or you can ask a question in the official BlockSafe group in Telegram, where they will tell you more about the project. They will not leave you without attention. All links in the description under the video, and I say goodbye to you. Thank you for attention. See you next time.